Hi guys, welcome back to Modelworks Direct. This is John, your host for this video. Today we will be talking about this TiltRotor aircraft model. This model is made out of mahogany wood. This is the curve stage of the model. As you can see, we made it with high quality wood. We make sure the details of the model are superb. So sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Watch until the end for the end result. The second stage is putty paint. We coated it 2 times and then sprayed it with a gray finishing paint. For the last part is the finishing details as the artist make its magic for the model. This is the final result. I hope you guys enjoy watching this as much as we enjoyed making it. This is John of Modelworks Direct. If you can think it, we can build it. See you on the next video. Ciao.
Modelworks Direct, a company that fabricates aircraft, cars and ships to desktop-size scale models. Contact us at 1-844-8-MODELS or email us at info@modelworksdirect.com.
1, 2, 3, let's go!